Hey guys, so yesterday you should have created a brainstorming web about your food memories. Today what I want you to do is pick the one that you think you could write the most about and include good details. Something that really stands out to you as a memory that you have a lot to say. So the one that I decided I was going to write about was my Tootsie Roll Halloween. So I'm just going to put a star there, and that's the one that I would like to go deeper into. So I'm going to end up brainstorming today just about my Tootsie Roll Halloween. So I'm going to switch to a different brainstorming web, a blank one. And in the middle, I'm going to write Tootsie Rolls because that's the memory I'm going to focus on writing about. So just like we did before, I'm going to have my main topic here and then all of the details that I remember about my Tootsie Roll Halloween. So one thing I remember is that we had just moved into an apartment. So I lived in an apartment. And that's important because I was only 5 years old, so my mom wasn't sure if in an apartment people were going to hand out candy or not. So she decided that we would trick or treat at the mall. So we went to the mall. And then I don't remember my costume that year. All I remember was that at the end of the night, my bucket was full of Tootsie Rolls, and that was it. Okay. And then I remember being kind of disappointed because, Halloween is really fun. You get to sort your candy into different piles. You might trick or treat with a friend or a sibling and trade candy. I didn't get to do that year. The best I could do was sort my Tootsie Rolls because, they got the little ones, they got the bigger ones. So I could sort my Tootsie Rolls into different piles. So that's what I did. I sorted my Tootsie Rolls into different sizes. So this is just a quick brainstorming map. If you need more details, that's fine. It's just to try to get my brain going on what I'm going to write about. Next class, you're gonna actually be instructed on how to write that memoir. We're going to write our first writing assignment for the year. Okay? So I'm going to leave a blank template up in Google Slides just like yesterday so that you can brainstorm about your food that you're going to write about. Talk to you guys soon. Can't wait to see what y'all write.